Welcome to Pro News Flash. Bitcoin is reconnecting with the US stock market and heading for new heights. Let's dive into the latest developments. The paths of Bitcoin and US stock indices seem to have diverged in June. The S&P 500 rose for several consecutive trading sessions thanks to the de-escalation of trade conflicts, the strength of the US economy, and positive corporate reporting. The first digital coin came under pressure due to capital flowing to Ether, doubts about the effectiveness of new stablecoin legislation, and conflicts of interest. Donald Trump's family is becoming increasingly involved in the crypto business. An affiliate company has announced the purchase of Bitcoin through the issuance of securities, and the president's sons intend to launch their own Bitcoin ETF. As a result, digital assets are perceived as a personal interest of Trump. Ether, which has been in the shadows for a long time, is now leaping forward. Over the past 2 weeks, Ethereum ETFs have attracted $812 million, the biggest amount since the beginning of this year. Investors are increasingly skeptical that new legislation on stablecoins will protect them from fraudsters. Despite stricter rules and regulations, Germany saw an 8% increase in reports of suspicious activity involving cryptocurrencies in 2024. Dark clouds were gathering over Bitcoin, but the strategy report served as the catalyst for a rebound. The company has been buying digital assets through the issuance of securities since 2020 and owns 582,000 Bitcoins worth almost $64 billion, with an average purchase price of around $70,000. The strategy has many followers, fueling demand for crypto and allowing it to grow. As a result, the correlation between BTC USD and US stock indices began to recover. Both Bitcoin and the S&P 500 are risky assets. Therefore, the improvement in global risk appetite against the backdrop of the resumption of trade negotiations between the US and China supports the cryptocurrency rally. The record high of around 112,000 is within reach. Breaking this record will attract new buyers to the market and contribute to the continuation of the upward trend for Bitcoin. Stay with Pro News for more updates on events happening in the cryptocurrency markets. Like, share, and subscribe.